Let's have a look at the website builder, a powerful feature of the EzyCourse platform. You can build web pages, landing pages, all manner of different things. So I'm just going to click on the build button for this page here, and you'll get a feel of the drag and drop environment of the EzyCourse web builder. You can see this page here is made up of lots of different elements. You've got images, you've got text, icons, you can put videos on the page. This section here is some of the courses that are being sold on this site. You've got a frequently asked questions section here, and it's really easy to look at the widgets available and just simply drag them into the page that you're creating. This page here also has a menu running along the top. Let's have a look at where that comes from. Back in the website builder, you've got this all menus section here. Here you can edit the primary menu, you can add different items into the menu, you can sort the order of that menu and that sort of thing. You can create as many menus as you want. You can have different menus on different pages. Now in the color schema section, this is where you can really customize the look and feel of your EzyCourse platform with your own brand colors. You've also got the ability to put in custom CSS and JavaScript code as well. And in the fonts section, that's where you can change the fonts that are displayed on your web pages. You can even upload your custom fonts too. So the website builder as a feature of the EzyCourse platform, very, very powerful for you.